The Milky Way galaxy is a large, barred spiral galaxy that is home to our solar system and billions of other stars. It is estimated to be between 100,000 to 180,000 light-years in diameter and contains between 100 billion to 400 billion stars, as well as a vast amount of gas, dust, and dark matter. The Milky Way is named after the milky, hazy band of light that can be seen stretching across the night sky, which is caused by the combined light of the billions of stars and other objects in the galaxy. The Milky Way has a central bulge and a disc-like structure, with spiral arms that stretch out from the center. Our solar system is located about 2/3 of the way out from the center of the galaxy, in a region known as the Orion Arm. The Milky Way also contains a number of notable features, such as the galactic center, which contains a supermassive black hole, and a number of star clusters, nebulae, and other objects. Our understanding of the Milky Way has been greatly enhanced by advances in astronomical technology, such as telescopes and space probes, which have allowed us to study the galaxy in more detail and uncover its many mysteries. It is estimated that there are hundreds of billions of planets in the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy with a diameter of about 100,000 light-years and contains between 100 billion to 400 billion stars. Many of these stars are known to have planetary systems, and recent studies have suggested that there may be more planets than stars in the Milky Way. However, the exact number of planets in the Milky Way is difficult to determine due to the vastness of the galaxy and the limitations of current observational techniques. Nevertheless, ongoing studies using techniques such as the transit method and radial velocity measurements are helping to improve our understanding of the prevalence and characteristics of planets in the Milky Way.